Hi there, and welcome to my channel. It's What's Cooper Up To Productions. So we're doing a series on health and how to get healthier. The foods we eat and the air we breathe is sometimes unhealthy. I'm doing this to help people, and if you have any questions and or requests for things for me to research, please type them down below. And while you're there, please subscribe. We're doing today L-Lysine. L-Lysine is an amino acid. Your body does not manufacture lysine. You can get it as a supplement, or you can get it in some foods. Those food sources are red meat, yeast, fish, lima beans, potatoes, milk, cheese, and eggs. So lysine supports collagen synthesis and elastin for connective tissues. These are in the skin, the bones, the tendons, and may help the immune system. So lysine is a building block for all proteins. It is necessary for the production of amino acids, for hormones, enzymes, and antibodies, and it supports muscle protein building back after surgeries or injuries. Another well-known benefit is the aid in fighting cold sores and herpesviruses and reducing the outbreaks of those. Since it helps with these body systems, it is reported to help with anemia, inability to concentrate, bloodshot eyes, lack of energy, and loss of hair. So, the International Journal of Gastrointestinal Cancer states L-Lysine may be helpful with pancreatic cancer. So it's pretty important stuff. And so we'd like to introduce you to one of my favorite supplement companies, and this is it here. This is Now Vitamin Supplements, and this happens to be their lysine. And so this company is very clean. There is no wheat, gluten, soy, milk, or egg, fish, shellfish, tree nut ingredients. A lot of companies do put all those things in there, especially soy and wheat as a filler. So it's especially helpful for people with allergies. And on their bottle, on the side here, right there, they actually show a little diagram the size of the tablet. Says this tablet is a pretty good sized tablet, and some people have a lot of problems swallowing, something like that. So they want you to know right up front the size of the tablet. So if you find this information helpful, please subscribe. And I would also like to chime in with, this is not intended as medical advice. This is just for your information, and do your own research too and find out for sure. So I want to thank you for your time and have a good day. Bye-bye.